Okay, folks, it says merge left, right lane closed. Should we go see what it is? Do you think it's fiber? Or do you think the sign is just left out there? I merged left. I don't see nothing. The only thing I saw coming to Ramseur was the digging on the other side of the road, pipeline. I don't see nothing. I'm getting back over the curb lane. Wait a minute, there's signs down there. Okay, now we gotta merge left again. Because that other guy did it. Let's see if we can get a view of what it is. Road work ahead. Trailer. That guy was stuck there before. Now he's got help. Right lane closed. Now there's an arrow coming up. They give you plenty of warning. Right lane closed. Big arrow. Big arrow. I see flashing lights. They're working on fixing the guardrails. They're doing guardrails. They're doing guardrails. That's a new activity. It may be there was an accident there and it got mangled. Steve 84 out. Just being nosy. Tank CU 73.